Hey you guys, welcome to Living It Country. Today I'm going to be sharing my top 20 farmhouse favorites that are home decor and furniture from Ikea. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Life is a winding road.
Over the weekend, we were able to go to our nearest Ikea and do a little bit of shopping for our home and for my mom's projects, and we honestly had such a blast. We were able to go to Ikea, which was a little difficult to go into. There was a line outside of Ikea, a huge tent where you had to line up in as well, and then as well as outside of the tent where you had to line up. So I thought it would be really fun if I took you guys along with me, where you guys could go shopping and maybe see some of your favorite items in Ikea as well. So that way, if you see something that you must get, then you know exactly what to look for, and maybe you could even order it online. So I'm gonna go ahead and link everything in the description box below so you guys can have a one-stop shop and get it shipped to your home even too. So I'm so excited to share with you guys some of these finds. We're specifically talking about things that kind of have more of a rustic farmhouse, modern farmhouse kind of vibe going on. And you guys know I'm no interior designer or anything like that. I just really enjoy sharing with you guys these items and sharing with you guys how I have decorated my home as best as I can. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I want to share with you all today are these really beautiful metal decorative frames. I actually picked up 4 myself. I actually have these really beautiful frames that actually go really well with them. And I love these because you can not only hang them, but you can put them on your shelf as well, and they stand up perfectly. They had 2 different sizes, as well as a black frame as well as a gold frame, and I got the smaller ones because I just thought they were so darling. And you guys could get these for $4.99 a piece, which I thought was relatively a great price, and they're really cute to style in any of our rooms in our home, and I feel like they kind of go with many different styles. I actually have one of them right over here with our wedding photo. Next thing I wanted to share with you all are these really beautiful black matte hanging lights. These are absolutely huge in person, and they really make that statement feel, and I feel like they give off that modern farmhouse kind of look, and they also could go in a completely different direction, which I love. These are $59.99 a piece, and when looking on Amazon, nothing really matches that price at that big of a light. This was another one of my favorites. It is another light, and it's a 3-piece light, and I feel like this would be so cute, so darling in a small, tiny home. My husband and I have been talking about building a tiny farmhouse home in the future, and this would definitely be so cute above an island and just kind of be that center vocal piece. And I think for $79.99, you really can't beat that. And I would love to know in the comment section down below, if we were to ever build a tiny home, would you guys watch that? Because I would love to film that and add that to our channel, but I would love to know your guys' opinions on that. So lately I have been really obsessed with cutting boards. I actually bought 4 of them a few weeks ago, and I shared them on one of our home decor hauls. But it was not just a cutting board, it was a cutting board tier tray. They were really small, and it was a really fun way to kind of add kind of a dimension, I guess, to our home, and add candles and candle rings to it and kind of display things really cute. But at Ikea, they had a humongo one for $19.99, and I thought it'd be such a fun way to decorate, maybe even on a dining room table as kind of the vocal point, or just to decorate in your kitchen. I don't know, I just thought it was a steal deal, and maybe you guys think so too. Now this fiddle tree was an awesome deal. I'm always eyeing the one at our Target that's closest to us. It's an hour away, but it's close to us. And the Target one is $99.99. I would say comparing the two, the Target one is a little bit more higher quality, but I thought that this one was such an awesome deal, and I thought you guys might like it too. Now, if you guys are big fans of the online shops Our House and Article, you guys are really gonna love this accent chair. This was $169. It was so cozy. It was the most cozy chair that I sat in the whole day. There wasn't too many, but they had at our Ikea levels where the chairs and some of the sofas were, so you couldn't sit on all the sofas. I don't know if that was kind of a thing that was going on because of what's going on worldwide, or if it was just that was the best way for them to do it. But this one was so cozy, so clean looking, and I thought that this price was really such a great deal compared to those brands that look very similar to this one. This was the first product that I saw when going into Ikea upstairs, and it was this light gray sofa sleeper couch. This is $549, and this is probably one of my favorite pieces. I didn't take it home, but I feel like it'd be so great in an office space, or if you had a tiny home ideas are in my head right now. And if you needed an extra space where somebody was spending the night, or if you were a family of 4 like I have, and you live in a tiny home that's a 1-bedroom home, the couch can be turned into a bed, which I think is so, so cool. I guess it would be great for an Airbnb too. Now, all over Instagram, I have been seeing ladies in the farmhouse category industry sharing their mantles with a bunch of candlesticks, and I think that's so cool. I absolutely love it, and I know a lot of ladies have been getting them at like thrift stores and garage sales, but sometimes that's not accessible, especially now. And so I found at Ikea these adorable candlesticks. They were in a set of 3 for $12.99, and I thought that was a pretty good deal and such a fun way to style your home too. Now, if you watched my latest DIY project, I shared how I took this blank doormat and I added a personal touch with my Cricut. And if you guys want to watch that video, I will link it in the description box below. Super easy DIY, anybody can do it. But I found these mats at Ikea that were $4.99, which is such an awesome deal. And you guys, this is obviously not a farmhouse piece. It's a practical everybody piece, but I wish that I would have gotten it at Ikea because the same ones are at Home Depot for $10.99, I think it was. And so a much better buy at Ikea and an easy, affordable DIY project. I have been really obsessed with built-ins and custom cabinets lately, and I'm really wanting to add more into our home, or maybe even our future home, or whatever we decide to do in the future. Honestly, the possibilities are endless, but I found these really cool cabinets at Ikea, and I've been seeing all over the reels on Instagram how people are taking little cabinets that are inexpensive and they're trimming them out and turning them into built-ins. And I thought that that was such a phenomenal idea and such a fun way to add a custom feel to your home, and you could decorate it so many cool ways. So I had to add this in as one of my favorite things because I want to do this so much. Now, this had to have been the cutest couch, but not so cozy. This one was clearanced all the way down to $308, which is phenomenal. It's a ticking stripe look, which is so cute, and you guys know I love that style so very much. It was like a white, grayish blue ticking stripe. It had like this ruffle effect on the pillows, but it felt like wood on the sides. It was really, really uncomfortable by even just the touch. I didn't even get to sit on it. But if you're looking at styling a home to sell, or if you're looking at just having it in an area where maybe people don't sit all the time, there's so many options that this could be really practical in, but I had to add it because it screamed that farmhouse feel, and it really was very, very darling. Just was not really practical. Next, we have this beautiful gray sofa. This is one of the most comfortable sofas that is there. Absolutely love it. It was $949, and I feel like other people must feel the same way too, because this was more of the more expensive sofas there at Ikea. I feel like this would be so cute with so many accent pillows on it, and it could be styled even cuter. I feel like it kind of doesn't give it justice because it's just that gray color, but it could be dressed up so cute with a little throw blanket and a really cute coffee table. Now, my daughter really wanted these domes. She loves styling in her bedroom, but I thought these were perfect. They had so many different sizes. These were all around Ikea, and I loved that they had a picture in one of them. You could put even cupcakes in them if you like to decorate with treats. And I feel like this would be so, so precious for so many different occasions, whether it be a birthday party or put in your built-ins like back here. There's just so many possibilities with this, and I just absolutely loved them. Now this is a DIY project you guys are gonna be seeing soon, and it is with LED lights above photos, and Ikea offered these really affordable ones. You do have to either wire these into the wall or plug them in, but I thought $19.99 was a really great deal. I got mine for a little bit more money. I think it was $27.99 on Amazon, but these are an awesome option too. Now that we've talked about the lights above the photo frames, I thought it'd be perfect to share with you guys these adorable, huge photo frames. They came in black, wood, and white, and they were so affordable at $19.99. Gallery walls can be really, really expensive, especially if you get them custom ordered. And so I thought this was a really great option, especially if you get personality photos done, which I think is such a cute idea. We're gonna do it in our hallway with 3 photos. Because I have an even number of kids, I'm gonna do a picture of my daughter, a picture of both of my kids, and then a picture of my son. And they're gonna kind of be in front of each of their doors in a way too. So I think it's gonna be so cute, and I can't wait to share that with you all. Okay, this one was so cute, and this is the last sofa, I promise you guys. This creamy white sofa was $9.99, and if we had a truck where we could have brought this home with us, this would have came home with us, you guys. I loved this so much. It was so clean, so cute, and so cozy. Next, I'm gonna talk about the hooks and attachments. I think that this would have been such a key way to organize, especially in our tiny home, in our kitchen. And I feel like it'd be really, really darling in front of the subway tile with these little buckets that you can get as attachments, or even the hooks. Such a clean way to organize, and I can picture it so good in like a potting shed, or even in your pantry on the door. And there's just so many creative ideas. If you have a little kid's desk in front of a wall, the possibilities are really endless, and I love, love, love this. And attached to this, you'll see this really cute ticking stripe fabric. I always love finding these because you guys can use them in so many different ways, whether it be for a tea towel, or as a gift in a gift basket, or you could even hang them. I've seen a lot of people hang them like in cabinets as almost like DIY curtains, or in front of windows as DIY curtains. There's so many cool ideas that you can do with tea towels. Now next is this double-sided vegetable sign. I thought this was so darling and would be really, really cute in a pantry. It'd be really cute in a shed outside, and it's just an easy way to spruce up a space on a budget. Now I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and my top 20 favorite farmhouse finds, home decor and furniture from Ikea. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys later on Living in the Country. Bye.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.